longitudes run from north to south. Next, answer these questions. Question number 1. What is the shape of the earth? What is the shape of the earth, children? I will show in the textbook only. Okay. See here. The actual shape of the earth is often said to be an oblate sphere. You should write like this. The actual shape of the earth is, cut it often, said, cut it, to be, cut it. The actual shape of the earth is an oblate sphere. Very easy method. Very easy. The actual shape of the earth is an oblate sphere. Okay? See here. The actual shape of the earth is an oblate sphere. It is there. Next. Second question, how many countries are there in Africa? How many countries are there, children? See here. There are 24 countries in Africa. There are 24 countries in Africa. Question, how many oceans are there? Name them. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. There are 5 oceans. Next, there are 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean and Southern Ocean. Fourth question, what divides the earth into 2 hemispheres? Question number 4, what divides the earth into 2 hemispheres? Equator. Equator divides the earth into 2 hemispheres. The equator divides the earth into 2 hemispheres. The equator divides the earth into 2 hemispheres. Fifth question, list the important latitudes. Are you remember? See here. Equator, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south, Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south. These are the important parallels of latitude. Next. Okay. Sixth question. Distinguish between globe. Distinguish between a globe and a map. Distinguish in the sense you should write it in a column. You should make 2 columns. One column or one block is for a globe and another one block is for map. Why? Because you should write it in a column manner. Why? Because you are writing comparison or a difference or distinguish. Okay? See here. You should do column like this. Okay? Globe. A globe is spherical, representing the shape of the earth. Map. A map is drawn on a flat surface. It does not show the correct shape of the earth. It can be used to locate various continents and major seas and oceans of the world. It shows places within the continents and countries. A globe represents the entire earth in less detail. A map can represent either the whole or a part of the world in more detail. Whenever you are writing the distinguish or differences or comparison, you should make a table. Okay. Sixth question. That is over. Seventh one. How is the equator different from the prime meridian? This is also one differentiate question only. How is the equator different from prime meridian? In the sense, this is also differentiate question only. Okay, we will discuss. See here. Equator is 0 degree while the prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. This is the difference between latitude and longitude. Very simple. Is it not, children? Very simple. Let's discuss why are there no permanent residents on Antarctica? Why, children? Why are there no permanent residents on Antarctica? Why? Because there are no permanent residents on Antarctica due to inhospitable climate and lack of resources. There are no permanent residents on Antarctica due to inhospitable climate and lack of resources. Because of this reason, there are no permanent residents on Antarctica continent. Next, very important questions, children. In each and every lesson, think and answer questions are there, no? Very important. Let's discuss. Question number 1. Maps and globes are very different from each other. They represent Earth in different ways. But how are they like? Let's discuss. See here. Maps and globes are alike because they both help us to understand the shape of the earth. Yes, exactly. We can, with the help of map, with the help of globe, we can understand the shape of the earth very easily, and to find places on the earth also. Yes, definitely. Maps and globes are alike because they both help us to understand the shape of the earth and to find places on the earth. Next, second question. How do latitudes and longitudes help in locating place? With the help of second question, latitudes and longitudes from a grid like structure, the place where they intersect tell us about the exact location of a place. I will show the picture of, see here, this is the exact picture of globe. Here in this globe, so many vertical lines are there. So many horizontal lines are there. Horizontal lines and vertical lines intersect to each other. This is called grid. Thank you. Have a good day.